Hey guys, it's Megan. I am here with Super Sister Fitness and I'm so excited to share with you a full body kettlebell workout that is part of the 7-minute workout series. I guarantee you it's gonna work a whole bunch of different body parts, it's gonna get your heart rate up, and it's gonna give you a really solid workout in a very short amount of time. Make sure that you like this video below, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and subscribe if you haven't already. So make sure you guys do a 3 to 5 minute warm up before starting this full body, and then we're gonna get right into it. So first exercise is gonna be a kettlebell clean with a reverse lunge alternating sides. So grab your kettlebell, put it right in between your feet, and let's get started. Set your timers, okay? So pull up to your shoulder, and then we're gonna step back with that same side, tap the knee, in between your feet, switch sides. Pull up to your shoulder, reverse, and back to the middle, alternating. Up. Make sure that that front knee isn't passing over your toes. Keep core engaged. Nice long lunge. I'll show you guys from this side. Make sure you're breathing, breathing, breathing. Whole time. You guys should feel heart rate start to get elevated here. You're recruiting a lot of different muscle groups. Almost there. Nice. Okay guys, 30-second rest. I don't know about you, but my heart rate is up already. We still have 4 more exercises to go. Next one is going to be a goblet squat right into a Romanian deadlift. So you're going to want to put your kettlebell right in front of your toes, keep a flat back for your Romanian deadlift, and then we pull the kettlebell to our chest. Okay? Ready? All right, flat back, hinge at the hips, shoot your butt behind you, Romanian deadlift, fast pull, squat. All the way down, fast pull, catch in front of your chest, squat down. Same thing here. Try not to let those knees pass over your toes during your squat. You want to think about initiating your squat with your butt back, not with your knees. This exercise allows the heart rate to come down just a little bit before we get into the next movement. And as with every exercise, anchor the belly button in. Keep the core strong and engaged. You guys can probably hear me breathing pretty heavily. You should be as well. Okay, 30-second rest. Whew. Stretch anything out if you need to stretch anything out. Next exercise, you're gonna be on the floor. We're doing crunches. So go ahead and get ready during our quick rest. Okay, you're gonna grab your kettlebell and hold it in front of your chest, okay? What I want you to do is push the lower back into the mat as you lift your shoulder blades up off the ground, pointing the kettlebell towards the ceiling. Okay, and we're going. Tiny movement, but an intentional movement. Okay? Try not to push the head forward. Focus more on pulling the belly button down. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can even extend your feet out in front of you. But make sure that you're able to get that lower back down no matter what movement you go with. You should feel those muscles in your tummy starting to get a little tired now. And if you're finding that the back of your neck is getting super sore, you can always put the weight down and place your hands behind your head for a little bit of support. Keep breathing, keep pulling the belly button in, and rest. Okay, next exercise that we have is gonna get that heart rate up again, so make sure that you enjoy this rest break while it lasts. We're gonna be doing an alternating row that goes right into a plank. So we're gonna place the kettlebell out in front of our toes. You're gonna alternate sides. So we're gonna row, plant the hands, jump back into a plank, jump the hands back up to your feet, and then repeat. Okay? All right, go time. So hinge at the hips, flat back. We row, switch arms. Row, plant the hands, jump, jump, repeat. Working the muscles in the back, getting the heart rate up, engaging the core. Make sure that you guys pace yourself. This should be hard, but I want you to keep moving the whole time. So slow down a little bit if you need to. I am breaking a sweat. All right. Strong core here, don't arch the back. Almost there. Good. 30 seconds. Whew. One more exercise. Last one is gonna be a sumo squat with a bicep curl. Okay, this is gonna work your legs and your biceps at the same time. Okay, so with this sumo squat, targets a little bit more of the inner thigh. So we're gonna go wide feet, toes slightly angled out. Kettlebell is gonna be placed in between your toes, okay? I want you to grab it by the outside of the handles so that you can get right into your curl. All right, go time. So we squat, grab the outside, curl up to your chest, straighten the arms, sumo squat, up, curl, back down. Okay, you should feel those adductor muscles working, inner thighs. Whew. Deep breaths. Push your knees out. A lot of people have the tendency in a sumo squat to let the knees cave in. Still keep them out over the midline of the foot, just like you would for a normal squat. Keep breathing, core engaged. Keep your chest up in that squat. Don't let it dip too far forward. Almost there, you guys. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And done! Congratulations, you guys made it through the first round. I would recommend resting for maybe a minute and then repeating this anywhere from 2 to 3 more times. Good job, you guys. Woo! I am definitely sweating. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout as much as I did. Like, comment, subscribe below. Find all of my information about my blog and my podcast in the description box below, and I will see you guys next week.